The International Brain Bee was started in 1998 at the University of Maryland, and since then it's grown, and now there are chapters in about 30 different countries. The format is generally that a local chapter will have what we're having right now, just a local Brain Bee event. The winner of that chapter is eligible to go on to the National Brain Bee. So the National Brain Bee this year is in Maryland, in Baltimore, and it's March 14th and 15th. The first place winner has the opportunity to go. Now that there's officially 3 of you guys, we can actually send the first place winner. We have to have at least 3 contestants. And so that's why we're waiting on you to make sure that we didn't just have a winner, but we have a winner we can actually send on. At the National Brain Bee, the winner of that will go on to the International Brain Bee. And the International Brain Bee this year will be in Washington, D.C. Again, that will be an all-expense paid trip that the National Brain Bee will pay for. Last year it was in Vienna, Austria, so every year it kind of switches up a little bit. And that will be in August. So if whoever wins this goes on to win National, you will have the chance to go back to kind of the East Coast to D.C. in August for that. So what we do ask is that whoever is the winner, if you know that you won't be able to go to the National Brain Bee, that you let us know immediately so that we can offer that opportunity to the second place winner and so on to the third place winner. Ideally the first place winner. Hopefully you guys are here because you can actually go to Baltimore. What else? Additionally, the format for the National Brain Bee will be a little bit more challenging. So the grad students, which if you guys will raise your hands so you know who we are, Monica, Emily, and Chelsea, we are more than willing to meet with you guys up until that point to have study sessions to go over kind of the material. There'll be a lot of labeling. So we have brain models, microscope slides, things that we can get you a little bit more well-versed with how the testing will be. So we're happy to coordinate if that's something that you guys will be interested in. That being said, this is our panel of judges. We'll do just the briefest of introductions. Our head judge is Dr. Jeff Kinney. He is a professor here in the psychology department in the neuroscience division, and he is a member of the directors of, or the organizing committee of this Brain Bee. We have Dr. Laurel Pritchard, who is also part of the psychology neuroscience division here on campus. And we have Dr. Merrill Landers as well, and he is the department chair of the physical therapy department. So we are grateful to have all 3 of them here. And then the format, which you guys are probably interested in, there'll be 2 sections. The first will be a written portion. You'll have 30 minutes to complete there are 25 questions. And so you will be sitting over here. The majority of them are just written. You just read the question, write the answer. There's a line provided, just write it on the line. But there are a number of labeling. So there's 2 figures on the exam itself, and then there are 2 brain models. And so they are well marked. Each question will refer to which figure you need to go to or the brain model. So just pay close attention to that so you're not marking the wrong label on the wrong question. Okay? And then we'll have a 10-minute break while the judges will tally up your score. During that time, you can eat refreshments, you can talk amongst yourselves, go to the restroom, and then we will begin the oral portion. And so the judges will each one by one present you guys with the question, but they will actually, the questions will be for all of you guys. And so on your board, you will write your question, and then you can flip it over and wait. You have 30 seconds to complete your answer. And they're going to be generally the same format as what you did over on the written question. It's just now it's an oral presentation. And then when the 30 seconds is up, or until everybody has flipped their boards over, everybody will flip their boards back over, show the judges, and they will tally your scores as well. And so at the end, we'll take about 5 minutes to tally up everybody's scores once that is completed, and then we'll announce the winners. Okay? Does that sound good? So if you have any questions as we go along, just go ahead and ask. And with that, I think at this point, Dr. Kinney will take over as the head judge.
Okay, you guys, you ready to get started? You water, a bagel, anything like that? Okay, so if you will, if you want, you can actually, the model's up here. So you have to traverse over here. There are 3 exams face down over there on the table. If you can leave your boards here.